As reported by BBC, 10 years ago, our focusing ability was more than 12 seconds. But you will be afraid to know, right now, our focusing ability has come down to less than 8 seconds. On the other hand, a goldfish can focus more than 9 seconds. Can you imagine how big alarming news this is for human being? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All the praises and thanks are due to Allah, who is the creator of all creations. May peace be upon the leader of all prophets, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. At the beginning of his speech, I would like to welcome the audience, respected teachers, especially I would like to welcome the founder of Ahmed's education, Honorable Jubayer Ahmed sir. Dear listeners, today I will discuss disadvantages of internet. We know that very well. There are lots of disadvantages of internet. But right now, in my discussion, I will mention the most 5 important disadvantages of internet. My first point is time waste. There is a proverb in our country, and that is, time and tide wait for none. That means time is most important property in our life. But nowadays, we are wasting our valuable time by using internet. According to information of PTI, the young generation of Bangladesh use their mobile more than 8 hours every day. Can you think what a big matter of worry this is? I guess it is very harmful and threatable for our society, for our nation, simultaneously for our future. Dear listeners, my second point is physical and mental disorder. By using internet, oxidative stress is created in our body. As a consequence, we suffer many kinds of diseases like insomnia, headache, brain tumor, cancer, and so on. And we also know internet radiation is very harmful for human life, at the same time for our environment. My dear brothers, my third point is decreased attention and decision-making ability. By using internet, day by day, we are losing our focus and decision-making ability. As reported by BBC, 10 years ago, our focusing ability was more than 12 seconds. But you will be afraid to know, right now, our focusing ability has come down to less than 8 seconds. On the other hand, a goldfish can focus more than 9 seconds. Can you imagine how big alarming news this is for human being? My dear brothers, my fourth point is immoral relationship. In this modern era, a third world has been created, which is called the virtual world. Currently, 90% of young generation are addicted to immoral relationship by this virtual world. As a result, right now, in our country, about 10 out of every 1 lakh women are victims of rape. Can you imagine how terrible way we are going? Day by day, families are breaking up, and many people losing their lives out of time. Whereas, according to Islamic sentiment, family is more important than other things. But the Western are always trying to destroy our family system by the trap of internet. My dear brothers, eventually my last and the most important point is establishing foreign agenda. The Western civilization are always trying to make criminal Muslim ummahs, those people who are working for saving Islam, who are working for saving the interest of Muslim ummah. who are working for establishing Islamic Sharia. At the same time, the most terrible issue is that they are trying to establish many distorted agendas like transgender, homosexuality, and many destructive Western culture. They are implementing this by utilizing internet. So my dear brothers, let's wake up. It's time to be careful. It's time to be more concerned about the Western culture. It's time to spread awareness among the ordinary people. Unless we be careful, day by day, we will be destroyed. May Allah save us. May Allah save the Muslim Ummah from their trap. May Allah save us from their conspiracy. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.